you will come to the leonardo.ai website. So this is the website of this platform where we'll be generating AI based content. Is one of the interesting platform and to explore more. So after coming to this website, you will be clicking to the launch app, which is on the right top side. So you will click to the launch app. It will take you to the screen where you will be able to log in. So this is the screen. So you can sign up here or sign in with the help of like Google or Apple or Microsoft, whichever platform is good for you. So I will be signing in with the Google. So I will just, so I have been used the email address which I wanted to use and as a sign up for free. So once I click the and select the email, it will bring me to this screen, which is a dashboard of this platform. So now I can start using. I have been used this profile. So initially you will receive around 150 coins for your free startup. So you can which will be refill after every 4 hours or within a day depending on their system. So what you will have some free tokens on daily basis to create a content. So and here we can begin. So we will be discussing the next features and the steps in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.